So today, what I want to talk to you about is different types of chips, healthy chips and unhealthy chips, but mainly they're all unhealthy. Alright, so now that you've accepted that all chips are not good for you, let's make sure we dive in and understand which ones would be good for us, which ones would be bad for us, and some criteria that we should follow before consuming any of it, right? So there's 5 questions that you should be asking yourself every single time. So 1, what are the ingredients in these chips? Okay. 2, what are the goals that for the consumption of this food? Okay. 3, how close to nature are these foods? Okay. 4, how does my body metabolize these foods? Okay. And 5, are we counting macros or calories when consuming these foods, right? Okay. Now, you have to have these 5 questions before you move on to any of the things. But let's touch up on some good things about the potato chips, the ingredients that you should be looking for in the potato chips, although they're all bad for you, okay? So, organic is a good thing, okay? It's cooked with avocado oil or cooked with coconut oil, right? Instead of using like wheat flour, they're using like almond flour. These things are very, very important to have. Also, you want to make sure that the chips have like 150 calories or less, and you're making sure that you're following the serving portion and you're not just crushing the entire bag. Those things are very, very important. But before I even look at the nutritional facts, I look at these ingredients below them in tiny little writing to see if I'm even going to touch those things before I look at the nutritional facts. Now, some bad things: all vegetable oils, everything. Canola oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, any type of these vegetable oils, corn oils, peanut oils, those are very, very bad. Okay, GMO, right? So you want non-GMO chips as well. And also, an ingredient that you do not know about is acrylamide. Now, this is something that's not put into the chips, but once the chips are cooked at above 248 degrees Fahrenheit, this chemical is formed, which is associated with cancer. So like French fries, some cereals have it too, and some cookies. Again, these are all things that are really bad for you. This one product that heated above 248 degrees Fahrenheit is really, really bad to consume, and it is on your chips. And that's what we're saying. Chips in general are really, really bad. Now, I do want to show you some of the chips that are marketed as good chips, but are really, really bad for you. So, Garden of Eden, blue chips, corn tortilla, good, right? But we're going to go below this, and we're going to look at the ingredients. Organic blue corn, boom, okay, I like that. Expeller pressed canola oil and or safflower oil. I don't even have to look at the next. I don't have to look at the next one. Like, I just read canola oil, safflower oil. I am done. Moving on to the next one. Cape cod. Ooh, look at this. 40% reduced fat and sea salt. I'm on it. I'm gonna crush this. These are healthy, right? Well, this is done by a marketing team, so let's actually see if it's healthy, right? Let's go. Well, non-GMO, gluten-free, awesome. Okay, so gluten, that's one of the bad things you don't want. Very highly like inflammatory for your joints and everything like that, so you want to stay away from the gluten. But let's see here. Potatoes, oh, awesome. But the second ingredient, vegetable oil, done. I don't even have to keep on reading this, but I'm gonna read it. Vegetable oils contains one or more of the following. And here's where the garbage starts. Canola oil, safflower oil, and or sunflower oil. And then at the end, sea salt. Yay! 2 good things, potato and sea salt. Everything else, garbage. Marketed to you as a great thing, but really not good for your body, right? So if your weight loss goals or high performance goals are to stay in shape, you're gonna stay away from these. Done. Next, ooh, sweet potato. Man, sweet potatoes are so good for you. Really, really good for you. But let's look at this stuff. No salt added, non-GMO. Awesome, we want that, we really do. And we hope that the rest in here is good. Ingredients, sweet potato, crushing it. Ooh, expeller pressed canola oil and or safflower oil and or sunflower oil. Sweet potato, not that healthy anymore. So Terra chips, fail, no bueno. I mean, these are the chips that we're looking at that's marketed to us as awesome, healthy chips, but they're failing miserably. So here we go. Here we go. Ooh, Bienitos? Bienitos. That's what we got. Bienitos. Where are your ingredients? Found it here. Hidden, tiny little rice. Whole beans, we like it. Whole beans are good. Second one. Sunflower oil. Right? Make sure we put that across the video, please. Rice flour, tapioca starch, and then sea salt. Again, failed. If you like your body and you want to have the right nutrition, you're cutting that sucker out too. All right, moving on to this one. Let's see what we got. Boulder. Avocado oil in huge writing. So we're hoping that with the avocado oil, we're not going to see any vegetable oils. Sea salt, love it. Okay, ingredients. Guys, I think we have a winner. I'm even going to open it. Yes, I like chips. Ingredients, potatoes, avocado oil, sea salt, nothing else. Bling, 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 bling. Yeah. But here's the thing. They all have acrylamide, right? Heated above 248 degrees Fahrenheit are not good for you. So, if you have to pick good chips, this would be one of them. And excusez-moi for my mouth being full right now. Next. Grain-free tortilla chips. Okay, let's see what we got. Ingredients. Cassava flour, avocado oil, coconut flour, ground chia seed, sea salt, lime oil, and citric acid. So, dang it. The citric acid got to me, right? And citric acid has been used for over 100 years, you know, for flavoring and as preservative and everything in most of our food. So if I have to say, as of now, we still have one more chip left, this one would come in second. You know, again, you're better off consuming this one than any of the other ones that we've stated before, other than the Boulder, which I will make sure I'm consuming the right amount of servings. Oh, and going back to this here, just so you guys know, the serving, it's about 14 chips. So if you're consuming more than 14 chips, you're already not allowed to follow the nutritional facts, because the nutritional facts are based on the 14 chips. I ate one, got 13 more. I know that's crazy, right? So again, if you have to pick one, this is the second best as of now, right? And then the last one, what do we got here? Kale chips, zesty nachos, organic. So organic, always good. And we're gonna go here and the ingredients: organic kale, organic sunflower seeds, organic tahini, which is like ground sesame seeds, organic onions, organic red bell peppers, organic apple cider vinegar, organic cane sugar, organic carrot, sea salt, organic garlic, organic lemon juice, organic chipotle powder. So I will crush some of these as well. I'm gonna have to really calculate my macros here, but so let's go back into the calories I spoke about. This has 130 calories, so that's a good thing. We talked about earlier, you want to make sure it's below 150 calories. 28 grams, about 2 servings per package. I like it. Let's taste it. Let you know what it tastes like. Ooh, this looks crazy. You see what I did? I ate, put it back, so nobody eats my chips. I like it. I like the way it tastes. Let's check it out. So, very important to understand. Okay, can you consume them? Yes. I don't limit myself to I can't eat this, I can't eat that. Okay, a journey to weight loss, a journey to fitness. You shouldn't completely cut yourself out of anything unless it's a serious health issue that you have. Then 100%. But you need to live life. Cutting anything hardcore is going to make it harder for you to stay in that path for that fitness level. So make sure that you're looking at the ingredients. Follow along exactly what you need to have, what you can't have, and you can't have. All right. So in conclusion, I am going to rate this first place, second place, third place. And the last thing I want to talk to you about, because I didn't even touch up on some of these chips, and some of you guys might be wondering, you know, what about these chips? You didn't even talk about them. You're right. Some chips, I didn't even talk about it. Most all of the Lay's chips, the Cheetos, the Doritos, the nacho cheese Doritos, the ranch Doritos, all these different things, all these different chips, stay away from it. Stay away hardcore. So don't even come near it. They're just not going to be good chips, period, for your weight loss goals or for your, you know, awesome physical performance that you're trying to maintain. Stay away from all those bad chips.